The INTRNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice can be read in its entirety online at nachi.org/SOP. Home inspectors should be very familiar with the standards, and every real estate agent and each client of a home inspector should also read the standards in order to help them set their own expectations about the home inspection service. According to the INTRNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice, a home inspection is a non-invasive visual examination of a house performed for a fee, which is designed to identify observed material defects within specific components of that house. Imagine a home inspector with both hands tied behind the inspector's back. The home inspector is essentially restricted in this way while performing a visual-only inspection, which is not invasive and not technically exhaustive. The home inspection is intended to assist in the evaluation of the overall condition of the dwelling. The inspection is based upon observations of the visible and apparent condition of the structure and its systems and components on the date of the inspection and not the prediction of future events. A homeowner may later find problems in their house that were not identified in the home inspection report. Well, that's because a home inspection will not reveal every problem that exists or ever could exist, but only those material defects that were observed on the day of the inspection. The defect must be observed by the inspector and also deemed to be material as defined by the INTRNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice. For example, imagine that there is a large crack in the foundation of a house. For the crack to appear in the inspection report as a problem in need of correction, the inspector must have observed the crack during the inspection and also deemed it, thought it, regarded or considered it to be a material defect. Now, a material defect is defined in the INTRNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice, and that's at nachi.org/SOP. A material defect is a specific issue with a system or component of a house that may have a significant adverse impact on the value of the property or that poses an unreasonable risk to people. The home inspection report describes and identifies the inspected systems and components of the house and identifies the material defects that the home inspector observed during the inspection.